Hello guys, today I am going to tell you what is ambient mode on YouTube. Well, it is one of the features added on YouTube, in addition to the dark mode and the zoom feature. Ambient mode is basically a lighting effect that surrounds a given YouTube video with a soft glowing light that usually reflects the colors featured in the video itself. The effect kind resembles the glow of a television screen in a room where the lights off. That is what the YouTube said. They also said that the ambient mode is supposed to make the video watching experience of its dark mode more immersive. So, whenever you play a video, there will be a glowing effect that will surround your video. Like how this white video and color video affects its background. You can also check the other videos on this channel to know how to enable the ambient mode on YouTube. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.